Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make roasted chicken and potatoes in one dish for an easy and satisfying meal. I'm using 4 chicken thighs, bone in, skin on. This recipe serves 4. To season the chicken, salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, dried oregano, and dried thyme. These are large russet potatoes, great for baking. Use 3 large or 4 medium. We'll need salt, pepper, and thyme to season the potatoes. Olive oil, a large yellow onion, a head of garlic, fresh lemon, and flat leaf parsley. The parsley is optional, so if you don't have it, you don't have to run out and get it. First, we'll season the chicken. Pat dry the skin. That'll help it get nice and crispy. Mix up the spices and put it on top of the chicken. Flip it over and season the other side. Rub the spices under the skin for a well-seasoned chicken. Set it aside to marinate a little while prepping the potatoes and other ingredients. Heat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius. Peel, separate, and cut the tough end of the garlic cloves. Cut the onion into thick slices. That's one juicy onion. The sliced onion is going to line the bottom of a baking dish. Peel the potatoes. Cut them into bite-sized chunks like this. Don't cut them into big pieces because they'll take too long to cook. Season the potatoes with salt, pepper, and thyme. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix that up. The chicken will sit on top of the potatoes and all of the fat from the thighs will drip onto the potatoes and flavor them. So you don't need too much oil on the potatoes. A little bit of olive oil to mix with the garlic. Squeeze the lemon. I'm using a cast iron pan. A rectangular dish is actually perfect for this recipe. Any dish that can hold the potatoes in a single layer is ideal. If the potatoes are stacked on top of each other, they'll steam rather than roast. A little bit of oil on the pan. Take the onion slices and rub the oil on both sides. 4 or 5 slices on the bottom of the pan. The potatoes go on top in a single layer. Then the chicken. The garlic I'm going to put together in the middle. It's easier to remove them because we'll be pureeing the garlic. Don't cover the pan. We want crispy chicken, not steamed chicken. Cook in the heated oven for 30 minutes. Brush a little olive oil on top of the chicken. Remove it and the garlic. Mix up the potatoes. Put the chicken back on top and the garlic. Cook for another 20 minutes and the chicken should be done. The internal temperature should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Remove the garlic. Check to make sure the potatoes are tender. If they're not cooked, remove the chicken and put the potatoes back in the oven at a higher heat, about 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius, so they cook and get some color on them. By the way, even if the potatoes are cooked, you can put them back in the oven just to brown a little to get that golden brown appearance. Sprinkle chopped parsley all over. While the meat is resting, put the garlic in a food processor or small blender. I'm using an immersion blender because I don't really have a food processor that's small enough to process this. You'd think I would with all the reviews I do. You can also do this with the mortar and pestle. Add about 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and salt to taste. Puree this, taste, and adjust the salt and lemon juice. Serve the potatoes and spoon the sauce that's accumulated on the bottom of the dish. A piece of chicken and the soft onions. Spoon sauce over the chicken. The chicken is very tender and the skin is crispy. It's well seasoned and really tasty. The potatoes taste so rich and satisfying. Serve a little garlic puree on each plate. It's lemony and tastes absolutely amazing with the potatoes and the chicken. The garlic is soft and cooked, so there's no harsh bite, but it's not caramelized. For this rich dish, it's best not to caramelize the garlic because there'll be a sweet taste. This garlic puree tastes fresh and bright and lemony, which is what you need to balance the richness of the chicken and potatoes. I have to tell you, the garlic is addictive. Serve a green salad on the side. My vinegary cucumber salad or lemony chopped salad are perfect with this chicken dish. Make the salad while the chicken is cooking. In about an hour, you'll have a meal that even the pickiest eater will enjoy. I really hope you try this out for dinner and let me know how you like it. Share this video and subscribe for more simple and delicious recipes. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.